To get started with EveryDollar budgeting, first understand what it is and how it works. EveryDollar is a budgeting approach that involves allocating every single dollar of your income towards a specific expense or savings goal. This approach helps you prioritize your spending, make conscious financial decisions, and achieve financial stability. The first step in using EveryDollar budgeting is to track your income and expenses. Start by gathering all your financial documents, including pay stubs, bills, and bank statements. This will give you a clear picture of how much money you have coming in and where it is going. Next, identify your financial goals, such as paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a specific purchase. Assign a priority level to each goal, with the most important ones coming first. This will help you allocate your dollars accordingly. Now, allocate every dollar of your income towards a specific expense or savings goal. Start with essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries, and then move on to non-essential expenses like entertainment and hobbies. Make sure to also allocate dollars towards your savings goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. A key concept in EveryDollar budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income towards essential expenses, 30% towards non-essential expenses, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. This rule serves as a guideline to help you allocate your dollars in a way that balances your needs and goals. Practically, using EveryDollar budgeting can be as simple as creating a budget spreadsheet or using a budgeting app. For example, if you have a monthly income of $4,000, you would allocate $2,000 towards essential expenses, $1,200 towards non-essential expenses, and $800 towards savings and debt repayment. Best practices for using EveryDollar budgeting include regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, avoiding impulse purchases, and prioritizing needs over wants. It is also important to be realistic and flexible, as your financial situation and goals may change over time. In conclusion, EveryDollar budgeting is a simple yet effective approach to managing your finances. By allocating every dollar of your income towards a specific expense or savings goal, you can achieve financial stability, prioritize your spending, and make conscious financial decisions. Remember to track your income and expenses, identify your financial goals, and allocate your dollars accordingly. With discipline and patience, you can use EveryDollar budgeting to achieve financial freedom and security.